Here we come to the elevator at the Anderson County Courthouse in Palestine, Texas. My very first video in Palestine. I seriously need more content because I'm literally running out of videos, so here we go. This elevator was obviously modernized, but this is definitely something vintage. That was a very loud, obnoxious gong chime. Wow, is this thing vintage? Oh, it's an Otis. Oh, a 50s Otis. Nice. United Elevator Company. This thing is small and tiny. Going up?
Yep.
What floor?
3.
Have a great day.
You too.
Oh, I love that motor. This is so worth checking out. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I stopped here. This obviously had black buttons before. Here's your phone. Despite the mod, but this is still amazing. The motor is definitely original, I can tell. The motor on this elevator is obviously original, I think. This deserves for another ride. I've gotta hear that motor going down. My gosh, that was definitely the best startup I've ever heard. I'm gonna be picking up people. What would you like?
Number 2.
Okay, well, have a great day.
You too.
Unfortunately, it does not have classic leveling. So many people were rapidly getting on this elevator, so I had to get right off. I gotta listen to that motor going down. Hopefully no one calls it, because I really want to hear this motor. Okay, great. All right, gonna listen. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. I like that scrolling indicator. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end the video up on 1. This was definitely worth checking out. I'm so glad I stopped in here. This is definitely top-driven traction. Despite the Innovation Universal mod, but this is still beyond awesome. All right, let's watch it close. Right. There it goes. And that's it.